This lab soil comes from V-Trans. It has been transported in a steel Shelby tube. These are the project details of the soil sample. The two ends of the Shelby tube are covered in wax to preserve the moisture of the soil sample by preventing evaporation. A piston is used to remove the sample out of the Shelby tube. First, the soil needs to be trimmed before a sample can be used. For collecting our sample, the length can be slightly taller than the cutting ring. Fit the soil specimen in the cutting ring by applying pressure. Trim the excess soil from the outside of the ring. Trim the soil sample to be the same height as the cutting ring. Begin assembling in the water reservoir. Place filter paper on top of the porous stone. Wet the porous stone so the moisture does not leave our soil sample. Place filter paper and porous stone on top of the soil specimen. Using the load plate, push the soil from the cutting ring to the inside of the assembled water reservoir. Remove the cutting ring from the assembly. Add the second ring. Wet the porous stone on the load plate. This is the loading device with our soil specimen. Before loading, we secure the assembly. Raise the base plate of the loading device. This is the loading cell. The displacement transducer measures the displacement of the sample. Fill the reservoir with water until the sample is completely covered. We now can apply load to the specimen at different pre-selected pressures.